Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a quick little daily update of the portfolio. So today, it is a big red day, down 6%. And it's honestly not surprising. Whenever Niooooo is going to have big news, the market just decides that, you know what, we're going to limit Niooooo. Even if Niooooo does spectacular on their earnings after hours today, doesn't matter what, the market is going to be red. Doesn't matter what. It's going to limit how high Niooooo could potentially go, whether or not on the guidance. I know that their earnings are going to be beast. They did record deliveries, I think more than 20,000 for the past quarter. And obviously, that's a record for them. And they're going to do record revenue because this is the most cars they've ever sold or delivered. And look what happens just on the day when they're going to report earnings and the guidance that we're going to see, which is important. It's going to determine how Niooooo does for the rest of the year, how the stock is going to perform. And the whole market is red. Niooooo 4% down, Shopify 3%. Shopify had an amazing day the other day. Yesterday, they had an amazing day. Just look at that. Sheet. Very, very nice. Shopify, monster. Pay attention to it. Alphia down 6%, Corsair down 4.4%, MP down 2%, Tesla down 2%, Dropbox 1%, Jumia 6%. Everything, well, basically almost everything else is on red. Facebook did very good on their earnings. Look at them. They're up 6%. Still very nice. Maybe could have been up more if the market was up green, but no. And look at that. Niooooo is just going to be, I think Niooooo is going to propel this portfolio past 100,000. Just Niooooo by itself will propel this portfolio to 100K. So we're going to have to find another stock, or maybe one of these other stocks can help us propel to 250,000. But I know for a fact that Niooooo will at least propel this portfolio to 100K. I don't know how long it's going to take. Maybe 2 years, maybe 5 years, maybe more than that. But I know for a fact that this portfolio, even if I don't deposit anything else to it, will break $100,000 because of Niooooo. Niooooo is going to be a monster. Niooooo will be a big EV company, EV player. And they're getting ready, man. They're getting ready to deliver hundreds of thousands, if not millions of vehicles per year. Just wait on it. It's going to be big. Let's just hope. Let's just see how the guidance and the earnings is going to be for the after hours today. Because I know that after this quarter, next quarter is going to be big. I think after next quarter, the chip shortage is going to slow down. There's going to be no more chip shortage after the next quarter, hopefully. Then we're going to see Niooooo at maybe full capacity. We haven't even seen that. Where we might see 10,000 plus vehicles per month. And then once they finish this their industrial park, I have no idea how many cars are going to be able to pump out of that one. I think they say that's going to be like 1 million cars per year. That's going to be crazy. So 2025 to 2026 might see 1 million cars or more. Maybe I'm being a little bit unrealistic, but 1 million cars, not even Tesla's putting out 1 million cars. Maybe Tesla will do 1 million cars this year, and maybe Tesla will become $1 trillion company this year. Niooooo looks like it's going to be heading into that direction at least. So it may take longer than Tesla. Tesla's almost there, but even Tesla hasn't hit 1 million cars per year. I think it hit 500,000 or close to 500,000 in 2020, 2021. Anywhere, I believe Tesla can hit anywhere from 800,000 to 1 million cars. I think if it hits 800K, that's amazing. And Niooooo most likely will get about 80,000 cars, anywhere from 80 to 100K. I think maybe more realistically will hit above 80,000. I don't think it could hit 100K this year, but next year I think it can maybe double that up. We're just gonna have to see, right? So let's get ready for Niooooo earnings.